What's up, guys? Welcome back to JC and Trading channel. I go by Jungle Child Nav. Thank you guys for tuning in to my video once again. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for reaching the goal on the last video by getting more than 5 likes. I greatly appreciate it. So before we jump into this video with this strategy, please let's try to get this video to let's try to get it to 10 likes. I would greatly appreciate it. Um, we're looking at a very volatile market today. So, with the strategy that I'm going to be using today, I'm just keeping it very simple. We're still using a 5 second timer. So, let me tell you guys what I'm doing. So, basically, I'm still doing the same thing using two charts. On the right hand side, you guys can see right here, I'm using a zigzag and I'm also using a moving average. The thick purple line in the middle is my moving average. And on my left hand side, I'm still pretty much running with the same thing I've been running since day one for my 5 second entries. I have a moving average in the middle, um, and I also have my parabolics and for the light blue dots. I was trying to trade today with the awesome oscillator. Once again, the market is so volatile that the awesome oscillator indicator was not a good setup for today. So I did not use it. But as you guys can see, how shaky the market is today. So basically, how this strategy works is very simple. So pretty much what you're doing is you're using the right hand chart, the candlesticks, to show you the trend, right? So as you can see, currently the trend is below the moving average, but it could be reversing at this point in time. But we have to wait and be patient to see. So what I use the right hand side to see if the trend is going down, then on my left hand side, I'm going to be entering a lower trade for a sale. But I'm not only just entering a lower trade at any given time, I am waiting for the line to move below my moving average on the left hand side. And I'm waiting for that very first second parabolic to pop up, and then I am entering the trade like so, just like so here. The line was below the moving average. The candlesticks on the side showed that it was red, and the parabolic showed up. I hopped in for a quick 5 second trade. As simple as that. Now, this is a very dangerous strategy, so I require you guys to practice. But as I'm talking, as you guys can see, I'm able to enter trades. I'm looking at the same charts you guys are looking at. I've been practicing this strategy for a couple of weeks now, and it's been working golden. So literally, all I'm doing is looking at the right hand side, seeing where the trend is at, and I'm entering based off my parabolics where the line is on the. If it's below the moving average, I'm entering for a lower. If it's above the uh, moving average on the left hand side, and if it's above the moving average on the right hand side, I'm waiting for the parabolics to show up and then I'm entering that trade. That was a good entry right there for a lower sell. I kind of sort of missed my opportunity, but I'm just to show you guys that this works a lot. Let's hop into a different pairs. I'm planning on doing a lot of trades with you guys today. Even though the market is very volatile. So look at this situation here. You see the candlesticks above the moving average. It looks like it's going on an uptrend. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna wait for this to come back down until the parabolics reach the top. So once it start to drop, then once it start to go back up, I see it's dropping now. So and it's going back up. Enter a trade for 1,000. It's going back up. Hopefully it stays up. Easy, easy money, easy money. So once again, guys, let's talk a little bit more about the channel. If you guys want to see me trade with real money, I need you guys to like and subscribe. Let's get this video to 10 likes Let's get the subscriber count to at least 500, and let's continue the ball rolling because I have major plans with this channel. Looking to make a whole lot of money with this particular strategy. This is the only strategy that I'm using right now. It's this 5-second strategy, as you guys can see. So if you, I suggest you guys to definitely try to use this strategy on your own. Use two charts, use your line chart, use your candlestick charts. Once again, if you guys want me to give away the indicator settings, which on this is not many settings, it's really just the moving average. I do use the awesome oscillator every once in a while, but I have to make sure the market is set up for me to use the awesome oscillator. So the main thing is once you're using two charts, make sure that your pairs match up. Let's jump into a different pair. Matter of fact, let's jump into a very popular pair as EJ. Let's see what we can do on EJ. Let's see if we can be a little greedy on EJ. We're gonna wait for the new candlestick to form here, maybe new parabolics, and I'm gonna try to double up to try to get this account over probably 10, 11,000. Let's see what we can do here. Probably too soon on that one. Maybe not. Just like that, guys. Just like that, guys. I just hopped on this trade. It was the candlesticks was one up. I see my opportunity. I doubled up on a trade. The line was above. Let's see what we've done. Look at how many trades we won in a row. This is how many trades we won in a row using this exact same strategy. I cannot emphasize anymore. There was another trade. If I would have got in on this parabolic here, easy money. Right here, this line here. So that's literally all I'm doing. I'm studying price action. I'm studying different forms of the market. The reason here being why the zigzag is on with the moving average, because price action is very important. As you can see here with where my cursor is, as the market drops, it goes back up, forms a peak here, kind of sort of forms this W. But here, as you can see, I'm going to draw a line here so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Give me 1 second. I'm going to draw a line right, a horizontal line. Let's see. And it's green right now. So you guys see this green line? I'm going to change the color of it. I'm going to make it blue. So this blue line, as you guys can see, it kind of sort of touched here, and let's bring it down a little bit so you guys. It touched here, and then touched here, and then it broke out here. All right. So now what you kind of sort of will be looking for on this horizontal line is if it comes back down towards that line right here and breaks through, go back down, breaks the moving average, then you will be looking for a sell. But as you guys can see, it's continued to climb. It's probably going to peak here at the top, somewhere up here. But once again, I'm no expert. I'm still practicing my reading my charts. But this method right here has been able to show me where the market is going and what to expect the next move to be. Being patient, waiting for new candlesticks to form. The color of the candlesticks and the formation of the chart is kind of showing me the indication of where I should place my next trade. Basically saying if it's above the moving average on the right hand side and the candlesticks are green moving up, as you can see my zigzag is moving up. All I'm doing is waiting for the left hand side for the line to cross like so, enter a trade. That would have been a nice buy right there. 5 seconds, would have got in, would have won that one. Just like so. So guys, that's the video for today. Make sure you go and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like my channel. Guys, let's get this video to 10 likes. I'm Jungle Child Nat. This is my trading channel. I'm looking to do a whole lot more on this channel. Thank you guys for all the views, for tuning in, for all the previous likes on the previous videos. I appreciate it very much. Once again, if you guys want to see me do it with live money, help me grow this account. I'm very passionate about this. I'm learning every day. I'm no expert, but as you guys can see, I've developed a strategy of my own. No one else is teaching this, and it seems to be working. I'm not saying that it's not going to win every trade, but you definitely can win 10 trades in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 trades in a row for some big money using this simple strategy. All you gotta remember, above the moving average, wait till the line cross the moving average on the left hand side. Fresh parabolics. So when the new parabolics form, enter a trade immediately. As simple as that. Guys, this is the video for today. Jungle Child Ned. I'm out. Peace, like, and subscribe. Thank you.